buying a car is a big decision, and it's an even bigger decision when it's your job. There's so many makes and models out there, so your boy's gonna need some help. And that's why today we're looking for the next car for the channel. What's it gonna be? A muscle car, another JDM, an exotic? Well, let's walk around the show this morning and find out just what we're gonna buy for the channel this year. All right, contender number one. I know this may have shocked some of you guys, but if I was to get a muscle car, it would 100% be a C6. Now, I don't think I can swing the ZR1 just yet, but a C6 Z06 is the top pick on my muscle car list. How could you not like this thing? C6 best generation of Corvette. Change my mind in the comments. That thing is freaking dope. Let me know what you think. Here is muscle car option number 2 for y'all, a ZL1. What do you guys think? It's basically the Corvette engine in a different body, but I think the generation before this ZL1 is probably my favorite. Or we can go round 2 with the Supra. I have a whole nother plan of what I would do. Now we have the choice that everyone has been asking me to get, matching Miatas for me and Jordan, or just get Jordan a Miata and let her modify it. She said she would want one, and the only thing that she would want to do is get these wheels. So let us know if it's time to add one of these. This would take up a significantly less amount of the budget.
Yo,
what's up?
I've been wanting to meet you in person.
Oh, what's
finally,
up, dude? What's
been
up?
a legend.
So as I was saying, this would take up a significant less amount of the budget. So I mean, we could probably even get 2 if you'd want to see something like a me versus Jordan build series on the channel. I feel like that would be actually pretty cool. I just gave myself a good idea. Maybe we'll do that. Let me know. Now check this out. I don't know if you can hear me over I'm a baller shot caller, but I mean, a wide body Mustang. There were so many comments telling me to get an S650 and try my work at it. I don't know. I respect it. I like what they did. It's done very nicely. I just don't know if it's for me. Oh man, a Pandem 350. Or that thing. The Demon. Mama and the Demon. Drew, did you sell that to her? Did you sell that to her, Drew? Let me know if that's like the 707 last call, tonight's the night, we put the Hellcat to bed edition. It's got the paper plate. Let me know. Ooh, a Z06 debadged. Everyone's on paper plates today. So when you say C6, this is what I mean right here. So here are a couple more good options. We got the GR Corolla in this amazing blue. This is like my favorite color, y'all already know. The only thing about this is that it only comes in manual. And your boy isn't the freshest with his manual skills, but I mean, maybe it's time to learn. I feel like this is a good time to where we can get something, teach myself how to drive every day manual, and just see what happens. Or probably the most voted thing I put on my story was an R35 GTR. Your boy would be able to swing an older model. Well, what do you guys think about that? I'ma really need y'all to support the channel if we go R35. But I mean, who knows? Anything can happen, you never know. So the majority of the cars that I wanted to check out are here at the meet, but there are 2 in particular that I'm very interested in that aren't. The Mustang GT350 and the first gen Audi R8. For some reason they're not here. Maybe that means they're a little bit rarer than everything else. Not a lot of people have them, which is good for your boy. But those are the last 2 I kind of want to have on my list. What do you think? Out of all the cars we've seen today, out of everything we've seen and looked at, What do you think I should get? I need your opinion in the comment section. You guys are going to be the deciding factor. If you guys keep supporting the channel, liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back and watching these videos, you'll make me and Jordan very, very happy. And we'll be able to get a very cool car to build for y'all. So let me know in the comments below. Now, let's try to watch some sends. Mama driving the Z06.
That's all.
MC20, a buggy. Mama whipping the Aston too today. Oh man, here come the bikes. Call them reinforcements. Here comes the Diablo SV.
Hey, Dylan!
Everybody needs to get to the side of the road. I'm gonna get block traffic. Wait. Get out of the middle of the road.
I was gonna raise him up, bro. Don't worry, this is you right here.
He about to whip a U-turn?
Oh,
He is.
They're awesome.
If he stops here, I'm running.
God damn, he got his ass. Play your ass back.
Straight to jail.
You're all going to jail.
I'll pop. We know. Easy.
Ferrari man. Got the hat on and everything. Beautiful.
What did he say?
He said we're going to jail.
He said, oh God, you're going to jail?
Oh God, you're going to jail. I told y'all that. Oh God.
Wheelie. Look, that one down there is out of the car. What is going on?
that. Oh my god.
That's that rift, baby.
I think I just nutted.
Oh my god, I didn't change my face. Huh?
Oh my god, bro. Whoa! Pearland PD is wild in today. Straight to jail. Ooh, and two. They're back for more. My goodness, it's like a revolving door. I'm like Dr. Seuss today. I might eat some green eggs and ham. Smart man. He's sending it! Give it the beans, brother! Oh, back to the sidewalk. Or we go to jail. Our good friend down there says we're causing a traffic situation, and then he proceeds to block one whole lane. Ah, I love it here. It's the bouncy Maybach. Where the bounce at? Thank y'all so much for watching the video. Let us know what car you want us to get in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.